Following the events of Episode 1, we see Eun-ho team up with Seol. She reveals her true identity as a Gumi-ho. With his help, she plans on doing good deeds in order to tip the scale back into balance, so she can restore her powers. But is it actually working? Because we see Eun-ho lashing out by smashing deity statues, angrily questioning them on what on earth she did wrong. We see the direct aftermath of that fateful night, with a human tragically getting killed, and the deity places direct blame on Eun-ho. But did Eun-ho actually manage to handle the situation? Because we see CEO Lee Yoon confessing to killing someone in front of media reporters. We are then taken years into the future. We see Kang Seol, now, as a globally renowned, successful soccer player. Intrigued, Eun-ho makes her appearance, but Seol doesn't seem to recognize her. Still, she reappears into his life and persistently insists on granting him a wish.